Reasons your dates don't turn intimate. Dating can be exciting, but it can also be frustrating when things don't progress the way you hope. You meet someone, have a great time, but when the date ends, it feels like you are stuck in a cycle where intimacy never develops. If this sounds familiar, you might be making some crucial mistakes without realizing it. The key to a successful, intimate connection isn't just about being attractive or saying the right things. It's about understanding the emotional, psychological, and physical aspects of attraction. If your dates keep ending without moving toward intimacy, you might be falling into one or more of these common pitfalls. Let's dive into the 10 reasons your dates aren't turning intimate and how to fix them. 1. Lack of emotional connection. Intimacy isn't just about physical attraction. It starts with emotional connection. If your date doesn't feel a deep sense of trust, comfort, and connection with you, they won't be open to intimacy. You need to engage in meaningful conversations, show genuine interest in their thoughts and feelings, and create an atmosphere where they feel safe and valued. Instead of focusing only on impressing them, focus on building a real emotional bond. Ask questions that go beyond surface-level topics. Find common interests, share personal stories, and listen actively. The stronger the emotional connection, the more naturally intimacy will develop. 2. Poor communication. A lack of clear, confident communication can make a date feel more like a business meeting than a romantic encounter. If you're not expressing interest in a way that makes your date feel desired, they won't see you as a potential intimate partner. Flirting is a crucial part of communication. Playful teasing, compliments, and subtle body language cues can create excitement and attraction. If your conversations feel too formal or friendly, the date may not progress toward intimacy. Be direct but charming. Let your date know you find them attractive, and don't be afraid to inject some playful energy into your interactions. 3. Bad first impressions. First impressions set the tone for the entire date. If you don't put effort into your appearance, hygiene, or overall energy, your date may lose attraction before the night even begins. Confidence is key. Dressing well, maintaining good posture, and making eye contact can immediately increase your appeal. The way you carry yourself speaks volumes about how you see yourself, and if you don't seem confident, your date won't feel excited about the possibility of intimacy. 4. Moving too fast or too slow. Timing is everything. If you try to force intimacy too soon, your date may feel uncomfortable or pressured. On the other hand, if you wait too long to make a move, the attraction may fizzle out. Pay attention to your date's signals. If they seem comfortable with light touches and deep conversation, you can gradually escalate things. But if they seem hesitant, take your time and build up trust. The key is to create an environment where intimacy feels natural rather than forced. 5. Negative vibes and low energy. A date should be fun, engaging, and filled with positive energy. If you come across as negative, overly serious, or distracted, your date may not feel excited about spending more time with you. People are naturally drawn to those who make them feel good. If you constantly complain, talk about stressful topics, or seem uninterested, the mood of the date will suffer. Instead, bring a sense of enthusiasm, curiosity, and warmth. Smile, make jokes, and keep the conversation light and engaging. The more enjoyable your presence is, the more likely your date will want to take things further. 6. Not creating the right atmosphere. The setting of a date plays a huge role in determining whether intimacy will develop. If you always choose loud, crowded places or overly formal settings, it can be difficult to create a romantic mood. A well-chosen location can make a date feel more special and personal. A cozy bar with dim lighting, a scenic walk, or a quiet restaurant can help set the stage for deeper connection. If you want the date to progress naturally toward intimacy, make sure the setting encourages closeness and private conversation. 7. Ignoring body language. Your date's body language provides important clues about how they feel. If you miss these signals, you might not realize when they are open to intimacy or when they are feeling uncomfortable. Leaning in, maintaining eye contact, touching your arm, or mirroring your movements are all positive signs. If your date seems relaxed and engaged, you can slowly increase physical contact. On the other hand, if they are crossing their arms, avoiding eye contact, or leaning away, they might not be feeling the chemistry. Being aware of these cues can help you adjust your approach in real time. 8. Lack of physical touch. Physical touch plays a crucial role in building attraction. If your date feels no physical connection, intimacy is unlikely to develop. Light, respectful touches can create warmth and connection. A touch on the arm, a playful nudge, or holding hands at the right moment can help break the physical barrier. If you avoid physical touch altogether, your date may assume you see them only as a friend. The key is to be natural and gradual. Don't force it, but don't be afraid to make contact when the moment feels right. 9. Talking too much about yourself. A date should be a two-way conversation. If you dominate the discussion by talking only about yourself, your date will feel like they aren't being heard or valued. Ask questions, show curiosity about their experiences, and engage with their stories. This helps create a balanced, dynamic conversation that fosters emotional intimacy. People are drawn to those who make them feel special. If you make your date feel important and interesting, they will be far more likely to connect with you on a deeper level. 10. Failing to make a move. Sometimes, the biggest reason a date doesn't turn intimate is simply failing to take action. If your date is interested but you hesitate to make a move, the moment can pass, and they may lose attraction. Confidence is attractive. If you feel the chemistry is right, don't be afraid to go for that first kiss or suggest continuing the night in a more private setting. However, always be respectful. If your date isn't giving clear signals of interest, don't push it. But if they seem open and engaged, take the lead and create a moment of connection. Conclusion. If your dates keep ending without intimacy, it's time to evaluate what's holding you back. Whether it's a lack of emotional connection, poor communication, or simply not creating the right atmosphere, recognizing these mistakes is the first step toward improvement. By making small adjustments, engaging in deeper conversations, reading body language, showing confidence, and taking the right actions at the right time, you can transform your dating life. Intimacy should feel natural and exciting, not forced or awkward. Pay attention to these factors, and your dates will start to move toward deeper connections and unforgettable experiences. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.